Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime. Amazon Chime is a platform where the users can meet and chat online. So if you want to schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime, this video is just for you. First of all, open the Amazon Chime application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will see this kind of interface. Here you can see three options: join, instant and schedule. All you have to do is tap on the schedule option that you can see at the last. Now here you can see additional information about scheduling the meeting. Read the information very carefully. Now tap on the schedule option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Here you can add the title of the meeting. You can also choose the meeting to be all day. Just toggle the button that you can see right next to the all day. Or you can also choose the date of the meeting by simply tapping on the date that you can see right over here. You can also choose the time of the meeting. Simply tap on the first time in order to select the starting time of the meeting. Tap on OK. Now you can also choose the ending time of the meeting. Tap on the second time. Now select the time. Tap on OK. You can see additional information over here. You can also add the notification. Simply tap on add notification. Here you can see several options: 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before. Choose the time that is suitable for you. Here I'm choosing 15 minutes before. You can also add the description. Now all you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner. Here you can see this kind of box will pop up. Send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests. Here you can choose to cancel, don't send or send. Tap on the send option, or if you do not want to send, simply tap on the do not send option. Now your meeting has been scheduled. If you go back to the home page, here you can see your meeting has been scheduled. So that is how you schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.